Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Sync. In today's session, we are going to learn how to install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS. So firstly, what is Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch is an open source tool which is used to store logs. Elasticsearch is a NoSQL database on Listen search engine, and in Elasticsearch we can store, analyze large volume data. Management becomes more easier by using Elasticsearch because it offers simple deployment. So in this video, we are going to cover these 2 points. Firstly, how to create Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS instance, and second one, how to install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS. So as you know, firstly, you need to log into your console. So you can see I have already logged in. Now we are going to create Ubuntu EC2, Ubuntu instance. So firstly, click on launch instances. Firstly, you need to choose an AMI. So if you scroll down, you can see a Ubuntu server 20.0 for LTS. So click on select. Then second step is choose instance type. So you can see they give us by default t2.micro. So if you want another, then you can select and click on next. Next is configure instance. So number of instance you want, you can specify here. Then next is add storage. So they give us by default 8 GB free size. If you want more, then you can specify here. Then add tags. So now here you can give any meaningful name to your instance. So here I will assign Elastic Search Ubuntu. Then click on next. Next, configure security group. So select an existing security group. Then click on default. Default means default VPC security group. Then review and launch. So review one. So it's correct or not? So it's correct. Now click on launch. So here select an existing key pair or create a new key pair. So here I will select Windows RSA. Then I acknowledged and click on launch instance. So you can see the message, your instance are now launching. So if you scroll down, you can see a view instances. So you can see our instance Elasticsearch Ubuntu. So instance state is pending. After some time it's running. So wait for some time. So you can see it's running. So select your instance and go to the details. So copy the IP address, and now here I'm using MobiXterm to connect my terminal. So click on SSH and paste the IP address and specify username. So for Ubuntu, default name is Ubuntu. Then advanced SSH setting, use private keys. So here you need to give a path or give the path of your .pem file. That means your key pair. So you can say my key pair the windows.pem. Click on OK. So you can see here our instances. Our terminal is ready. So now we are going to install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS. So firstly, we need to install Java. So before installing Java, we need to update system package. So it's done. Now we are going to install Java. So run this command to install Java. So yes. So you can see here it's installing. It's almost done. So it's done. So let's clear the screen first. If you want to check the details of your Java, then run this command java-version. So you can see the details of your JDK. So now it's done. So now make sure Java home environment variable is configured. So run this command. So now install Elasticsearch. So firstly, update system package. Then clear the screen first, and then install the dependencies necessary to add a new HTTPS repository. So run this command to add new HTTPS repositories. So I can say yes. So clear the screen. Then import the repository's GPG keys. So run this command. So okay. Now add the Elasticsearch repositories to the system by issuing. Add the Elasticsearch repositories. Then now we are going to install Elasticsearch. So firstly, update system package. Then now we are going to install Elasticsearch in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So it's done. So clear the screen first, and then Elastic service will not start automatically after the installation process is complete. So to start the service and enable the service run. Now we are going to check the status of our Elasticsearch. So run this command to check status. So firstly daemon and then check the status. So you can see a active running. So okay. Now we are going to verify that Elasticsearch is running. So use curl to send an HTTP request to port 9200 on localhost. So run this command. So you can see here, we will change it. So cluster name and version. So clear the screen, and then now configure Elasticsearch. So run this command to change network host, And if you scroll down, you can see a cluster name. Then if you scroll down, you can see here in network host. Now we are going to change it 0.0.0.0. That means any IP address. So if you scroll down here, so change the file and exit. Now, after change, you need to restart Elasticsearch. It takes some time. So now let's check the status of our Elasticsearch. So you can see active running. Then, now connect to Elasticsearch. So run this command. Now you can see here the changes. So you can see a cluster name, my application. You can see here, then version. So now Elasticsearch is ready to use. So you can test is using curl command and run the simple get command. You can see a curl here and get command in this. So to verify the setup, and you will see Elasticsearch cluster details with the version on your screen. So you can see here the details with the version. So you can see the version 7.15.2 and cluster name ID. So now same we will access in browser. So firstly, copy your IP address and here 9200 port number. So you can see here the details. So that means it's working. So in this video, we have learned how to install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Hint channel.